I am Danny Way, skateboarder.
In July 2005, Danny Way, a professional skateboarder from Southern California, caught the world's attention by jumping the Great Wall of China. A child prodigy who turned professional at the age of 14, he has constantly been at the forefront of innovation and progression within his sport. His ability to overcome both mental and physical adversity is without parallel. 2 times world record holder, back-to-back X Games gold medalist, the only man to have jumped out of a helicopter on a skateboard, yet until China, his name was legendary only within action sports. Making the impossible the possible has been the trademark of Danny Way.
You know what, I'm not necessarily out on a mission to create these situations to put myself in just a massive amount of pressure. To get an opportunity to just do something really spectacular on a skateboard, something that like feels good, something that I look at, something that skateboarding looks at, something the world looks at.
Mixed feelings actually when I went to the top of the tower for the first time. I've only dreamed of this event happening, it really playing out for so long, like it just seemed like such a fantasy. Once I was actually standing on top of this tower looking at this rolling going, okay, I'm actually going to jump over the wall, it was like the most exciting feeling in the world at the time.